Hola todos. Hello everyone. This is Senora C bringing you another Spanish video lesson. Today's lesson is on el verbo hay, the verb I, which means there is or there are. But before we get into the lesson, be sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to receive regular video uploads. You can also comment below to let me know you have subscribed. I will do my best to reply to each of you. And lastly, feel free to do a dance once you have learned how to use the verb I. All right, good job. So let's get into the lesson. The verb I can point out singular nouns. For example, there is a folder. Hay una carpeta. Or plural nouns. There are 3 boys. Hay 3 chicos. There are 2 girls. Hay 2 chicas. There are many pencils. Hay muchos lápices. Let's use I with a few more items. Hay 5 lámparas. There are 5 lamps. Hay 4 manzanas. There are 4 apples. Hay 2 plátanos. There are 2 bananas. Hay un lápiz. There is a pencil, or there is 1 pencil. Notice that when I pointed out 1 pencil, I used un instead of uno. This is because the noun lápiz is masculine and singular, and therefore the O in uno is dropped, leaving us with the indefinite article un. Now we have 1 more singular noun. The noun carpeta is feminine, so we will use the feminine indefinite article una instead of uno. Hay una carpeta. There is a folder, or there is 1 folder. All these sentences are declarative, which means each one makes a statement. In the next segment, we will see how to use I with interrogative sentences. Let's get to it. Interrogative sentences ask questions. ¿Hay 4 lápices? Are there 4 pencils? Sí, hay 4 lápices. Yes, there are 4 pencils. This is a yes or no question, of course. ¿Hay 2 bolígrafos? No, no hay 2 bolígrafos. This response has 2 no's. The first no answers the yes or no question, but the second no makes the verb negative. And just as it is in all other cases, the word no comes before the verb I. No, there are not 2 pens. Hay un bolígrafo. There is 1 pen. Hay 5 calculadoras. Are there 5 calculators? No, no hay 5 calculadoras. No, There are not 5 calculators. Hay dos calculadoras. There are 2 calculators. Hay 3 cuadernos. Are there 3 notebooks? Sí, hay 3 cuadernos. Yes, there are 3 notebooks. You have learned a lot about the verb I, but don't dance yet. Now it's your turn to say how many there are. I will ask you 7 questions using the vocabulary terms to the left of the screen. You will answer based on what you see in the picture. Feel free to pause the video as you form your responses, and I will also give you a brief pause. ¿Están listos? Are you ready? Number 1. ¿Cuántas computadoras hay? Hay una computadora. Number 2. ¿Cuántos ratones hay? Hay un ratón. Number 3. ¿Cuántos teléfonos hay? Hay un teléfono. Number 4. ¿Cuántos lápices hay? Hay 4 lápices. Number 5. ¿Cuántos bolígrafos hay? Hay 2 bolígrafos. Number 6. ¿Cuántas hojas de papel hay? Hay una hoja de papel. And number 7. ¿Cuántas tazas de café hay? Hay una taza de café. Buen trabajo. Good job. Thank you for joining me in this lesson on the verb I. It's time to dance. Until next time, hasta luego. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell.